creative and fun learning, fun with clay, sculpting for beginners. Friday afternoon, at the Sunshine School, and the children were eager for their creative and fun learning session. The classroom was filled with energy as Miss Clara, their favorite teacher, was about to introduce them to a brand new adventure, sculpting with clay. Miss Clara, with her radiant smile and twinkling eyes, addressed her students, explaining the basics of sculpting. She molded a simple elephant shape with the clay, encouraging the children to follow along. As they worked together, their faces beamed with joy and concentration. As time passed, the room was filled with laughter and conversation, punctuated by moments of focused silence as each child delved deeper into their creations. They experimented with different techniques, adding textures and colors to bring their sculptures to life. The atmosphere was electric as the children worked, each one finding inspiration in the other's creations. They shared ideas and techniques, helping one another bring their visions to life. It was a testament to the power of collaboration and creative thinking. As the sun began to set, Miss Clara called for everyone to gather around and share their creations. Each child, with a smile on their face, proudly displayed their finished clay sculpture. There were dinosaurs, dragons, robots, and even a small village. The room was filled with awe and admiration. Miss Clara clapped her hands together, praising each child for their hard work and creativity. The children beamed with pride as they listened to her kind words. That evening, as they went home, they carried with them the memories of a fun-filled Friday at Sunshine School. As the children drifted off to sleep that night, they dreamt of their next adventure with clay. They imagined new shapes, colors, and textures in their minds. They couldn't wait for Monday, and another day filled with creativity and fun at Sunshine School. Monday morning arrived, and the children couldn't wait to get back to Sunshine School. They rushed in with energy, excited to pick up where they left off with their clay creations. Miss Clara greeted them with a warm smile and more clay, ready to help them continue their journey. Over the following weeks, the children continued to explore their creativity with clay, each one improving and pushing themselves to create even more amazing pieces. They experimented with new techniques and materials, learning from their mistakes and successes along the way. As the final days approached, the classroom was filled with an impressive collection of clay sculptures. The children celebrated their accomplishments, proud of what they had created. They shared stories of their experiences and learned from one another's journey. On the day of the exhibition, the students proudly displayed their clay sculptures for the rest of the school to see. They told stories about their creations and shared the techniques they had learned. The other children were inspired by their creativity and couldn't wait to start their own clay adventures. In the end, the students had learned so much more than just how to sculpt with clay. They had learned about collaboration, creativity, perseverance, and self-expression. As they stood together, proudly displaying their creations, they knew that these lessons would stay with them forever.